Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the battery drain that you guys are talking about over on my Twitter, my Instagram, everywhere. I have been replying to a lot of your comments as well, talking about this issue, particularly battery drain. Let's talk about it in detail in this video and answer all your queries and questions related to iOS 26 beta 1 and its battery drain. And I am going to explain why is it happening, is it going to get fixed, is there any tips or tricks to fix this. My name is Jay. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos and I am going to come up with a lot of iOS 26 content for you guys, which you definitely do not have to miss. So hit that subscribe button right now if you haven't already. So iOS 26, by this time a lot of you guys have probably even installed it on your iPhones and watching this video on your iPhone while it is running iOS 26. I know it. So you guys are having really bad battery life, right? I know it. So am I. It is completely normal. This is the beta 1. That means it is a pre-released version. This is not supposed to be released to public. That's why it is called a beta. You have installed it because it is free and you can just to try out new features and stuff, but little did you know, it is not for everyone. And especially the mistake which you probably already made and you can't go back. You forgot to back up your device on the iOS 18 version. Now, if you will downgrade, you will lose all your data. Not to forget, you can't get the data back at all because the data which you are going to back up right now will only be able to restore when you are on iOS 26. This firmware is supposed to have bad battery life. It is no surprise to anyone. If you did not know it, don't worry. We still have some things which you can do to fix this. Number one, try to stay on Wi-Fi when possible. Like there are a lot of people who use cellular data in home as well when they are home, because it is actually me to a very big extent as well, because whenever I am outside I'm using my cellular data and I forget to turn on Wi-Fi when I'm back home. So make sure to get this habit to turn on Wi-Fi for sure, because the cellular data drains a lot of battery life. Also make sure to turn on 4G instead of 5G. Just turn off the 5G setting for a while because that drains battery to a big extent. And the next thing is use low power mode. Of course, that is like the basic thing which I could say. Try to be in the cool environment. What I mean by that is, it is summer right now. Your phone is going to get heated up and the beta version is notorious to heat up even more. Avoid putting your phone in situations like putting your phone on dashboard or maybe your passenger seat when you are driving and the sunlight is directly hitting the phone. This is in general. Just make sure to never do this to your iPhone anytime, actually, not just on this beta. But yeah, that is a good practice because it ruins the battery life, it heats up the phone, which makes it laggy and eventually draining the battery life to a big extent. And the next thing is make sure to restart your phone at least once in 2 days, if not every day, once at least. Clears out the temporary files, the cache, and it just force stops everything and makes your phone refreshed in general, because betas are notorious to have a lot of bugs, and so this update as well. So those things will just get resolved when you just restart your device. Or if you ever just feel your device is not performing up to the mark, just simple restart fixes a lot of things. I hope I answered all the queries and questions which you guys asked me out over on my Twitter and my comment section. If you have more questions and stuff about iOS 26, do let me know down in comments below. I will make sure to make another video to talk about it. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.